All right. So under the paragraph 2, we have the bullets, we have the number, we have the multi-level list, we have the decrease indent, we have the increase indent, we have the sort, the left align, the center, the right align, we have the justify, we have line and paragraph spacing. Then we also have shading. The last one here we have is borders. So we are going to work with the paragraph and edit our letter, how to write letter, how to type letter and edit using the paragraph only. So let's get. Now, supposing you are asked to do something like this, how are you going to do it? You are asked to type this kind of letter, how are you going to do it? It's very simple. It's very, very simple. We just go direct to edit this text. Now watch. For instance, you have something like this, you type something like this, you type. The first one is what? The date. First one is the date, right? Then uh 4, then we also have April, comma 2025. That is for this. You delete this, you're done with this. Now the next one we'll talk about is the writer's address. Then you enter this way, you type Director General. You enter again. The next one is a National Youth Service Corps, right? NYSC. Next one, Kaduna State Secretariat. Alright. The next one is what? King. You enter King Shah Road. Right. Enter. Then Guarani, Kaduna. So when you're done with this, the next thing you're going to do is to highlight your text. To highlight your text, maybe if you are writing to a company which require you having two address, it's still the same thing you're going to do. It's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. So let's take these two, this particular one to be the writer's address and this one the receiver's address. You still do the same thing. So this you're going to do. Now for this, you highlight your text, you go to line spacing, you click line spacing here, remove space after paragraph. Are we there? Now I want to move this text to the right. I want to move this text to the right. So you can move, maybe if you are dealing with the date, you can move only the date by highlighting this way and click increase indent. Can you see? Can you see? So if you are dealing with address, it's still the same thing. You can decrease it back. If you are dealing with address, you can decrease it back by highlighting the writer's address, use decrease indent, or you use your tab key on your keyboard. You can use your tab key on your keyboard after highlighting. Then for mouse, use your increase indent using under paragraph 2. Can you see? Remove right. So once you break here like this, you just have to go back using your decrease indent to arrange it well. This is it. Very fantastic. Then that is for that. Then assuming you have something like this, you type after typing this way, all right? You type, it can be, it can be, as the case may be, application for the post of a manager. All right. So you highlight, what is it? Center. You center it. Correct. Then for this, now if you watch here, this work is not justified. Your test is not justified. So if I want to justify your work, Control plus J, Control plus J means justify. You click justify. Can you see? You click this justify. Is aligned. Can you see here? Watch here again. So it's aligned here. That is justify for you, making your work easier. Now, watch this. If I highlight this and I take it back and I say what? Control plus R, sorry, you see something like this. This thing is wrong. Typing like this for address is very, very wrong. So you must use your tab key or your increase indent. Are we there? So that is that for typing of letter. So the next I'm going to talk about is how to use your bullet. Yeah, how to use your bullet. For instance, if you want to, if you add your bullet, you click here, you can make choice of your bullet. You can make choice of your bullet. 1, 2, 3. Can you see? So you can also change it to number. You click here, you come here, choose your numbering to change. Are we there? Automatic. So if I just enter, it will give me 4. I space enter, give me 5. Automatic, without you typing with your keyboard. Are we there? The same thing to this auto numbering too. You see the same thing. Different style of number. Can you see? Alright. Different style of number, then bullet. So that is that for that. So I've talked about this one, space numbering, and the next I'm going to talk about is shading. Alright, you can shade by highlighting this way. I want to shade my name. Come here, you shade my name. Can you see? Giving it a default color. Can shade my name depending on what I want to do. Right? These are called shading. I want to shade my name. You can shade anything you wish to shade. Right? So you highlight and click your shade. So that is that. Now for this sorting, for instance, I I have, for instance, I have Grace here, and I have Abe here. Then I have John here. Next one I have Bright here, and this one, and I have what Kate. All right, and I want to sort alphabetical order, descending order. So I want to sort. I click here. Can you see your paragraph? Ascending and descending. So if I click descending, you see something, it will change. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing? So if I click go over there and say ascending, it will arrange normal alphabetically. So that is that. So if this show and hide, once I click this show and hide, all this show and hide, this thing you're seeing here indicates enter. It means enter key where I press my enter key. So that is that for paragraph. So remember where we started? You type using your tab key or using your increase index.